Welcome back. So in this lesson, I'll be walking you through how you can come around your pricing. Now, pricing is not static. It has to be dynamic. It has to be flexible. So this is just a guide, please. It is just a guide. So we'll be using this website, mrriches.com or mrriches.com.ng. Okay. So I have this plan stated here. So I have four options. We have the bronze, silver, diamond, and the gold. The first three have prices attached to them, while the last one is on request. So let's just check. So the bronze, first one says I will give you 5 pages for 80,000 naira. Domain name is .com. You can see we're stating it. Maintenance fee is not involved. You get monthly backup. Your design mock-up will be hand drawn. That is the wireframe. I will give you a wireframe, but I will draw with my hand. Website content, no. Logo design, no. Social share, yes. Search engine submission, yes. E-commerce, no. Blog, I'll give you blog. Live chat, contact form. You say the disk space for this hosting will be 2 gig, while for the email, I'll give you 5. Your payment gateway, no. That means nobody will be able to pay with their cards. SEO basic, SSL basic, email capturing, no. Project duration 10 days. So in 10 days, that website will be ready. So basically, this website falls within the category of corporate website, maybe a 5-page website, 2-page or 3-page. Yearly renewal is 19,600. So I have made the client understand that after paying 80,000, you will pay 19,600 yearly for your hosting. So maintenance is not involved. The next plan, you can see the difference there is the pages are increased. No website content, no logo, no e-commerce. Okay, there's live chat, no payment gateway, there's no email. 15 days project duration, 30,000 naira yearly. The third one is 45,000 naira, which gives the client 30 pages. Maintenance fee, no. Website content, no. Design mockup here is computerized, so I will do a UI UX for you. Then logo, yes, you get the logo. Live chat, yes. E-commerce, yes. So anybody that says he or she wants an e-commerce website that can do something close to Jumia, you fall under this category on a basic level, not on an advanced level. Jumia, Okonga, eBay, they are all advanced e-commerce websites. So but on a basic level, you will get a good and functioning e-commerce website. The last plan says request on code. So these are for higher projects that does not fall within the category of these three. So the only thing that stands out there is no maintenance. For website content, yes, depending on the project, but no maintenance. Maintenance is not part of the development. We might give you full maintenance, but you will have to pay for your yearly renewal. On other pages, you see we give unlimited pages, but at the same time, terms and conditions apply. Unlimited disk space, T&C applies. Unlimited email, T&C applies. So this is just a guideline on how your pricing can be done. Though you're just starting, you can put this professionally on your website, something like this. But at the same time, you have to be flexible because you need the portfolio, you need the customers, you need the clients to come in now. But that does not mean you just accept everybody that comes on board. No, you have to set your own plan. How do you want to run this as a business? It's not a charity organization. Even though you must have people, an uncle, an aunt, a mommy, a daddy that you would want to develop for free. That is inevitable. But you still need guideline on how you can move on. So you can always come back to this page and check it anytime you need. mrriches.com.ng/pricing. So that will be all for now, and bye bye.